Girls, what's up? On today's video, I'm creating this Kim Kardashian Inspire look with a little bit of twist. This is using all clean, organic beauty products, which is Kourtney Kardashian approved. So I am applying first the KJAER WEIS Beautiful Oil. This oil will help to hydrate your face and just awaken your skin natural luminosity. It is blended with amazing ingredients like sweet almond seed, olive and jojoba seed oil. It's just amazing, girl. I cannot live without it. Moving on to my brows, I am using the IREDALE brow pencil in dark brunette. I hope they make a darker one, but I still love it. Then I'm just going to clean them up with a little bit of concealer and applying the concealer all over my lid, because you know that's my thing. I don't do primers, I only do concealers, or foundations. Then I'm going to set it with a pressed powder foundation by IREDALE. So now for my transition color, I'm taking KJAER WEIS eyeshadow in Charm, which is a gorgeous brown color. I'm applying that all over my lid, close to my brow bone, then taking a clean eyeshadow brush and just blending that. Now I'm taking this palette by IREDALE, which is one of their newest ones, and it's called Solar Flare. I'm grabbing that gorgeous burgundy, because in the picture it seemed like she had a little bit of burgundy. I'm just blending that and just bringing it outwards to elongate it. And then with my ring finger, I am applying this gorgeous gold color to give it a pop like she had. And I'm also wetting it. I'm not showing it on the video, but I'm wetting it and applying it, and girl, it was just perfect. So now I am taking the color Oracle by ELATE Cosmetics just to smoke out my lash line. Now I am taking IREDALE's liquid eyeliner in black. I know that in the picture she didn't have it. At the end I was like, oh shit, she didn't have eyeliner, but I'm like, oh well, I like it better with eyeliner. What do you think? My mascara, I am using ILIA's After Midnight mascara. I love how like it gives length and it also separates them. I love that effect. For my primer on my skin, I know, if you know me, I never use primers, but this one is so good. It's the one by ILIA True Skin Serum Primer, and then I'm using the True Skin Foundation. Girl, it is so freaking good. Like, I'm almost out of it. It's clean ingredients, good for you. I'm like, damn. So for my concealer, I am using the Fit Glow concealer all over just to brighten up my skin and help me look awake. And this little sponge that I'm using is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I use this a lot because this literally lasts me for a long time. It's just really good. I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. For contouring, I always use creams, and I'm using this Vapor Stick Foundation by Vapor. I just love the way that it's easy to blend. Kim Kardashian, you know that she's always looking snatched on her face, so of course I had to contour my face. Then I'm going to apply this contouring palette over that contouring just to give me more definition. This thing is so pigmented. It's by IREDALE. It's a contouring palette in Deep. Girl, be careful with this because it's so freaking pigmented. So now for my highlight, this is the first time I'm showing you guys this brand. Is by PEREZ, and it's made in Mexico, but now it's like everywhere, you guys. This highlighter is called Vanilla. It smells so good, you guys. It's a cream highlighter, and I am obsessed with everything of hers, so I will have a review on everything of PEREZ. But yes, I'm applying all over, and then I'm going to add a powder highlighter, which is the one by RMS, the luminizing powder in Grande Dame, just to give me more of that pop, you know. So now for my lips, I'm going for a neutral. Since Kim had like a neutral, peachy, natural color, I am using the PEREZ Sesame Lip Liner in Shy. And of course, I'm overlining my lips. Girl, just look at the big difference. So I'm topping it off with a Fit Glow Gloss in Rose, just to give that 3-dimension like Kim had in the picture. And for my lashes, I am popping some Beauty Creation lashes. I will link you guys down below. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of this IREDALE Peaches and Cream blush, just a little bit to give me some color, and just setting my face with the IREDALE setting spray. And there you guys have it, your Kim K inspired makeup look, Kourtney Kardashian approved, using all clean beauty products. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and please subscribe, girl, because most of you ain't subscribed. I can see that, you know. Hey, yo, have a good one, you guys. Look like I'm going for a swim. Dunked on him, now I'm swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench while I'm coming off the court fully drenched.